Hello, and welcome to the Rainbow Attic Stair. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to one of our newer models, the F-Series. The F-Series is an all-steel, powder-coated attic ladder with height ranges up to 15 feet and a 570-pound rated capacity. It's useful for both residential and commercial applications. What you'll notice about the stair is, unlike many stairs on the market, which have a combination of materials, wood, MDF, and aluminum, if not steel, our stair is completely steel, all powder-coated, welded, including the frame. The frame has an integrated lip so that when it's installed, you don't need to put wood molding around to finish it. In addition, it has some specialized hangers which are also welded to the top of the frame. These hangers make it much easier installation in that you're holding the stair for just a few moments before you slide the hanger over the top, insert some nuts, and then tighten down, which allows the stair to be drawn up against the ceiling for a nice tight fit. In addition, most attic ladders do not have handholds. While they might have a handrail on the side, when you do reach the top, it's often very difficult to get on and off the ladder safely. This ladder has an exceptionally long handhold at the top, which is simply bolted to the top of the frame. This handhold is 21 inches and also it's powder-coated steel. Now let me show you the stair itself. One of the first things that you'll notice about attic ladders, especially three-section folding ladders, is that there's a lot of hesitancy in operating it because people are fearful of the sections coming down on them. Because we have double assist spring on the two sections themselves, the stair itself has a tendency to want to go up rather than fall down on you. So psychologically, it's a much safer attic stair to handle. When the stair is on the ground, you'll have either one or two, depending on the size, section latches. And once they're engaged, the ladder will have a much more rigid, stable feel to it as you'll climb it. Working our way up the ladder, all attic ladders to some degree have a handrail. Many are bolted on. Ours has not only one or two, but it has four. They're all powder coated and they're all welded to the side of the frame, again for extra rigidity. As we work our way up on the interior of the frame, which is just under the lip of the door that I mentioned earlier, is a single weather strip, and that will eliminate air infiltration and drafts. The stair itself, as I mentioned, comes up to 15 feet in lengths, 3 rough opening sizes, and 16 total different models that you can ask for. If we don't have a model that would suit your needs, we do customize our attic ladders for you. Finally, when the stair is fully installed, you'll have anti-slip strips that you can apply to the tread, again giving more security as you're climbing. When ready to close, simply unlatch. Easily guide it to its resting position and push to secure. The door latch on this is not plastic. Again, it's all steel. It's what we call a positive latch. It's not friction based. It's actually a tongue that will go into a receptacle and keep the door closed safely. Thank you for watching.